Hello Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. So let's see what's there for Sagittarians. Okay, so we have the Queen of Pentacles on your side, the Star on your person's side, okay, and the Six of Cups as the most likely outcome. So, with the Queen of Pentacles on your side, what I feel is that you are sort of feeling nostalgic about someone who is very near and dear to you. For this person, perhaps I am saying this because here is the most likely outcome. We have the Six of Cups. So perhaps you want to reconcile with someone, or you're waiting for someone. There is something over here about which you are feeling nostalgic about. I will be telling the details once I draw the clarifiers from the other deck. And as far as your person is concerned, this person, according to this person, you are their wish fulfillment. And as the most likely outcome is the Six of Cups, which is talking about reconciliation. Okay, so before going into the details, I would like to, on the basis of these three cards, I would like to take the clarifiers. Okay, so on your side, for the Queen of Pentacles, where is this Queen of Pentacles? Okay, so here we have the Knight of Pentacles, the Death and Rebirth, and the Empress. Okay, let's see what's there on your person's side. Okay, so we have the King of Pentacles on your person's side with the Judgment and the Knight of Cups. Okay, so let's see, why is this Six of Cups here for? Okay, we have the Lovers, the Devil, and the Seven of Wands. Okay, Six of Wands, Nine of Pentacles, and the World. Okay, so for the Queen of Pentacles, we have the Knight of Pentacles, the Death and Rebirth, and the Empress. So there is definitely something which has ended and is beginning once again. So it is a transition, definitely a major transition about which you are thinking and feeling nostalgic about, or Basically it has some sort of nostalgia and some sort of as to what is going to happen. It's so you are in deep thought over here, sort of contemplating, I should say, rather, that is the right word, because here with the death and the rebirth and the empress following it, definitely something has ended and something is definitely beginning. It is a beautiful new beginning, but it is requiring an end of a situation or something. And here we have the Knight of Pentacles. So what I am getting here is, maybe there was someone in your life, perhaps, because here with the reconciliation card as the outcome, so maybe you're thinking about somebody who was there in your life and perhaps is now not there in your life. Somebody from the past, perhaps, whom you want to reconcile. Somebody perhaps walked away from you, or you walked away from them. On your person's side, for the Star, we have the King of Pentacles, the Judgment, and the Knight of Cups. So on this side also we have Major Arcana, the Judgment, and here we have the two Major Arcana. So definitely it is talking about some major changes and some major transition in your life. This is again a sort of rebirth or a reset of life. And death and rebirth also is sort of a resetting of life, transition, resetting of life, and a new beginning. And here is someone who is wishing for the same, honestly. So here with the King of Pentacles and the Knight of Cups, what I feel here is that this person sees you as a wish fulfillment, as a star, and this person really wants you. Perhaps for some reason this person walked away from you or had to walk away from you. Perhaps you didn't respond at that time. It can be anything. So this person had perhaps walked away from you, but they are still waiting for you. They really want you. And suddenly what I am getting here is that I think, at least for some of you, it has been as if you met during the young age and now you've grown old with this person. Definitely this is going to resonate for some of you at least. You met this person as a young boy and now this person is old. Definitely there is a huge time since you know each other, years and years together. Definitely for some of you at least this will hold true. It's talking about the loyalty of this person who has stayed for you for years and years, or been waiting for you for years and years. Or maybe there has been something, if it had ended for some reason, then you are uniting after perhaps many years, and this person has grown, obviously both of you, because the Queen also has suggests some degree of maturity in age. Okay, so perhaps you people are going to reconcile after years, perhaps, at least some of you. For others of you, definitely it is talking about ending and a new beginning over here. For someone you are contemplating on, if you are not, if you are in a new relationship, and if it is not a reconciliation, then there is somebody on your mind whom you are thinking of taking a decision on. Okay, and maybe you must have maybe you thought of saying no and now you want to say yes, something of that sort. But there is definitely some sort of a change which is bringing a new beginning in your life over here. And this person really sees you as a wish fulfillment. They just pray to get you, something of that sort. Here with the Six of Cups, I said it's a reconciliation. So for most of you, I think that you know this person. You know this person actually, recent past, but for some of you, definitely a remote past. But definitely you know this person. Here we have, for the Six of Cups, we have the Lovers, the Devil, and the Seven of Wands. So definitely it's something major. We have so many major arcanas in this reading. The Death, Rebirth, the Empress, the Judgment, and again here the Lovers and the Devil. And ending the reading is the World. So here it is something which you are not able to let go. There is a lot of passion between both of you. There is a lot of temptation. You just can't stay separately. A lot of bonding force, a lot of passion is there between both of you, which is captivating, I should say, and you can't let go. Both of you can't let go of each other. I don't see the devil over here as something negative here. What I am seeing is it is just the temptation both of you have, or the passion which you have for each other. Following it is the Seven of Wands, and then Six of Wands, Nine of Pentacles, and the World. So definitely, what I see is once this reconciliation happens, once you get to meet each other, once you meet each other again and stay with each other, whatever it is, both of you are sort of flourishing. With the Six of Wands, Nine of Pentacles, it is all the quality time you are spending. Happiness is there, sort of healing is there, and stepping into a new world, a new chapter of your life. Let's see what are the messages from the universe for Sagittarius. What's the message from the universe? Okay, love who you are. Number 8 may be of some significance. You are divine, delightful, and deserving of the wonderful things life has to offer. So, the message here is that you deserve good things, you deserve better things, and love who you are is talking about the self-love. As I said, that once both of you are together, this is talking about the self-love, it is talking about the healing, it is talking about the quality time you're spending with each other and stepping into this new world or this new phase of life. So that's all I have for you, Sagittarians. Hope it helps, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.